How to see and delete all your Facebook stories. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see and delete all your Facebook stories. Now, if you open up the app, you'll get an interface like this. Now, if you want to delete your current stories, all you have to do is head over to your profile. Now, once you head over to your profile, if you have a story, it will show up here. Tap on your profile picture and you'll get an option to view story. Now tap on it. Once your story opens up, you'll get the three dot option on the top corner of your post, and here you'll get the option to delete photo. Now you can always delete your current stories from here, but if you want to delete all your saved stories from before or your archived stories, all you want to do is head back and go to your home page, and here you'll find the three line option on the top right corner of your screen, and head over to settings. Once on settings, scroll down below and under your information you'll find the option activity log. Now open it, and once this loads up, on the top of your screen you should be able to find the option archives. Now you can see on the top the archive option here. Tap on it, and here if you tap on story archives, you'll be able to see all your story archives here. Now all you want to do is tap on it and it'll open up, and again tap on the three dots or three dot option that you can find on the top of your post, and here you get the option to delete it. So this way you can see and delete all your Facebook stories. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.